Okay, we are gonna make an attempt at Dip Dop Tip Tap Gap.
Diddly Dop.
Diddly Dop Gap. Not sure the name of it.
Pea Soup Lake. That's where we're headed.
Yeah. So what is that? Mount Daniel, I think, is the big mountain up there. So there's a big snowfield that we gotta cross to get up there. Should be about an hour up. So let's go.
Woohoo.
Onward and upward. All right, we are about halfway up Dip Top Gap. And pretty amazing up here. Cannot wait to get up here. Having the best weekend up here in Washington. Washington has just been so amazing. Such a great experience up here. Nicole is straight killing it. Check her out. Nicole just called me crazy. It's official. She thinks I'm crazy. This is what I want to do for fun on my birthday week.
Maybe I'm the crazy one.
Yeah, maybe you're the crazy one for following me. Dip Top Gap, baby, let's go!
Guess what? We made it. I was questioning his sanity. But he did it again. He took me somewhere else epic. Good job.
First time glissading, she nailed it. She's a junkie. Oh, she's wild. I have created a monster.